Hey there, how you all are doing? So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can search for a particular string or word inside your website uh, in your cPanel files. So when you're working on themes and plugins, you often notice a piece of text that appears hard-coded into files, and you need to modify it, but you don't know from which particular file or theme plugin it is in. So like in this video I'll be showing you how you can locate that particular word or string and change it. For example, now in my case, as you can see in my website, I'm running some competitions. So this is a competition. Here there's a word competition, but here as you can see it is showing that lottery history. I want to change it to competition history, and again here as you can see it is showing lottery. So I want to change these lottery words to competition. So I need to find out from which particular file these words are coming. So I have done a search, but actually it wasn't able to locate this particular file. So now just move on and I'll show you how you can do that. So in order to do so, you'll need to install a simple plugin called as String Locator. Just log into your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and add a new plugin called as String Locator. So this particular plugin will help you to find a word which in which particular file it has been located in, and you can quickly make edits directly in your browser by clicking the link from the search results, or you can just go to the cPanel and edit those files. So once you've added that plugin, so it will be showing you an option for string locator inside the tools. Now here, like, you'll have to select from which particular file, theme or plugin that you want to search or locate a file. Now let's go ahead and type the search string over here. As you can see here, it is showing that the lottery history. So I'll type this particular word over here, like lottery history. Now I'll search for this particular word inside the files of my WP theme or plugin, wherever it has been located. And if you're particular about any plugin or theme, then you can select that particular theme or plugin from this drop down, and you can restrict your search to those plugin folders or theme folders. But since I don't know whether it is coming from a theme or a plugin, I just want to search it throughout my WP repository. So I have selected it as a whole WP repository. Once the search has been made, it will show you like it has been coming from a tab template file inside my WooCommerce inside my DV theme inside the WooCommerce folder. So here as you can see, like, there are multiple search results from where it has been coming, but the main thing that I want to modify is like it is being coming from a tab template. As you can see here, this is a tab. So if you want to modify this particular thing, just go to this particular file and you can check it out. Now I'll just go and search for this word inside that file again. Okay, it's not there here, though it is a lottery tab template. But the title is not there. See here, the word lottery started is coming from here. As you can see, there is a word called as lottery started. So you can modify it with competition by changing it to this competition over here. So I'll just modify this one. I'll save this one. I'll just go to the front end and reload this particular page to see if that particular word has been changed. Never change this code from the WordPress directly, since I am confident enough that this won't affect my website. I am doing so. But if you are editing some external code, or if you are writing some external code, please do not edit your code directly from the WP dashboard. Please do it through cPanel, or FTP is the best option actually. So here, let's go ahead and check it out if the word has been changed. Alright, it has been changed yet. Alright, so here it hasn't changed. Now let's look for another file from where it has been coming. Like here, there is a theme, commerce, single product tab. I'll just go ahead and check it out if it is there inside that. I'll search for this particular word called lottery. And check if that word is still here, like lottery started. See here, again it is there. You have to modify here. Since it is being coming from a child theme or theme, the code has been modified. So now let's go ahead and reload this one to see if the data has been changed or not. Alright, so here as you can see, the word has been changed. So I hope this is clear with you. This is how you can search for a particular string or word inside your files, inside the theme, a cPanel, through your files, inside the theme files, or inside the plugin files. So there are most of the people who keep on searching for a word inside the theme files and plugins, and they are not able to locate it. So this is one of the most effective and time-saving method that you can use to search for the words or strings inside your cPanel files. I hope the things are clear. If something is not clear, please feel free to write back to me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to assist you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and do like, share and comment and support. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.